If you're currently using AOV Cart Drawer, you may already be familiar with the rewards bar inside the cart. It's a simple way to let customers see how close they are to earning a reward. With AOV Cart Drawer, rewards work alongside Shopify's native discounts, which are created and managed in Shopify Admin. Once the discount is set up, it's then connected back to the campaign inside the app. Using Shopify Discount Function API, AOV Free Gift takes a slightly different approach to rewards. Everything related to a gift campaign is managed directly inside the Free Gift app, all in one place. This approach helps ensure a more stable flow, faster gift application, and a smoother overall experience. Because AOV Free Gift is built specifically for gift promotions, you can offer multiple gifts within a single campaign, giving customers more choice. You also have the flexibility to control how many gifts each customer can receive, helping you stay in control of your costs. With AOV Free Gift, you can also decide who sees each campaign. You can target specific customer segments, share promotions through a dedicated campaign link, or tailor rewards based on customer location. This makes it easy to run different gift strategies for different audiences, all from one place. Once enabled, the rewards bar automatically reflects your campaign rules and updates in real time. From the customer's point of view, the experience stays simple and seamless. Gifts can be automatically added to the cart or presented through a clear gift selection pop-up at the right moment. As customers add products, the rewards bar gently shows their progress toward the reward. When they reach a milestone, the gift experience happens instantly, keeping the journey fast and uninterrupted. From there, the rewards bar continues guiding customers toward the next reward, encouraging them to keep exploring. Let's install AOV Free Gift today.